Yo, you guys, so today we're gonna have a look at this drone, the F89, and it is common in this little nice handy box. So let's get this out of there and get this case here and check what's actually in here and what we can expect from that. So as you see, we got a remote here, which is pretty straightforward if you ask me, but we will figure that out in a second here. There's a lot of explanation. Totally up to you if that's something you think is helpful or not. And also you have room for your phone to put that, and then there's like some buttons to secure safe flight. Here's the battery compartment. So yeah, let's put that to the side. Have a look at the drone and what is happening with that. So it says careful or something, I don't know. And open up the blades here. And then this is our drone. And pretty straightforward. Just gonna snap the wings to the front, the other ones to the back. And then it is already kind of set to be used. And the back here is where the battery goes. So there, okay, we got them. There's two in this set. Pretty good start away. And then you just throw that in here, and then it's ready. So we try that. Make sure it snaps all the way. And then there's also our camera. And if we hit the start button, we probably have to hold it. Lights up, so flashing a little bit, and then it's trying to pair. So I would say we are heading to the different room. I'm gonna let it fly in my apartment. Don't do that at home. It's not the best idea, but it's most efficient for me for the video. So I hope I can control it, otherwise I will smack it in the wall. That will be unfortunate. So wish me kind of luck on that part. And I will definitely try my best to get a good hold of it and show you what I'm doing. So let's connect that whole thing. Okay, I think we got it. Yep, stop flashing. We are connected. Now we should be able to fly around. So let's give that a try. Hopefully everything goes well. Okay, we start. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, go back to the screen. Come on. Okay, I need a little bit of trouble controlling that thing. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, this is really fast. Okay, let's try to get it down here, nice and steady. Here we go. Okay, really fast reaction time here, and it's really hard filming, talking, and controlling that thing. Don't go to the door, but yeah, you can see it's going pretty decent once I get a little bit of a hold of it. It's got some nice front lights, as you see, and flies pretty stable. And that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. My name is Badger. I'm out. I'm wishing you the best day, and I will see you around in the next video. So take care.